Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to see who responded to your Google Forms in 2025. Whether you're a teacher tracking student assignments, a business owner collecting feedback, or just someone organizing an event, knowing how to view responses can save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to Google Forms by going to forms.google.com or opening it from your Google Drive. Once you're there, select the form you want to check. It's that simple. Now, look for the Responses tab at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a summary of all the answers. But what if you need to see who specifically responded? In 2025, Google has made this even easier with updated features like enhanced respondent tracking, provided you've collected email addresses or used required fields for identification. To view individual responses, click on the Individual tab within Responses. Here, you can see each person's answers linked to their email if available. Pro tip: if you didn't collect emails, you might only see anonymous responses, so always plan ahead when creating your form. One cool new update for 2025 is the ability to filter responses by date or question, which helps you analyze data faster. You can also export everything to a Google Sheet for deeper analysis. Just hit the green Sheets icon. Remember, privacy is key, so only access responses if you're the owner or have permission. That's all for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.